Hello kids! Today we will learn about these and those. We use these when things are near us. We use those when things are far away. Examples with pictures. Look here. What do you see?
Horses.
Very good. They are near us. So we say, these are horses. Now look far away.
Lions.
Correct. They are far. So we say, those are lions. I have pencils on the table. Should I say these or those?
These.
Yes, I have these pencils on the table. Now look at the books far away. What do we say?
Those are books on the bookshelf.
Excellent. Those are books on the bookshelf. Look at the girls. What should we say?
These are girls.
Super. These are girls. And look there far away. Who are they?
Those are my friends.
Wonderful. Those are my friends. Kids are reading the books. What do we say?
These kids are reading the books.
Perfect. These kids are reading the books. Now, the chairs are in the corner, far away. What do we say?
Those chairs are in the corner.
Yes. Those chairs are in the corner. Look at the plants near us. What do we say?
These are plants.
Correct. These are plants. And look at the trees over there.
Those are trees.
Well done. Those are trees. Great work, kids. Now you can use these and those easily. See you next time.
BrainMate. Love for learning.